In this video, I want to go through some examples of subtracting fractions with different denominators. So first of all, 1/8 take away 1/10. So let's do this using lowest common multiple first. So the lowest common multiple of 8 and 10. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, etc. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. So 40 is the lowest common multiple. So we should be able to write them as something over 40 take away something over 40. So 8 times 5 makes 40. So 1 times 5 is 5. 10 times 4 makes 40. So 1 times 4 is 4. So we have 5 40ths, take away 4 40ths, leaves us with 1 40th. Now, if we want to do that by cross multiplication, 1/8 take away 1/10. So we need to multiply the leading diagonal first, 1 times 10, then take away 1 times 8 over 8 times 10. So we get 10, take away 8, which is 2, over 80, and that simplifies to 1 over 40. Okay? So that's question number 1. Right, question number 2. 2/9 take away 5/12. Now, let's see. So we need the lowest common multiple of 9 and 12. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, etc. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, etc. So the lowest common multiple is 36. So something over 36, take away something over 36. So 9 times 4 makes 36, so 2 times 4 is 8. 12 times 3 makes 36, so 5 times 3 is 15. So we have 8 over 36, take away 15 over 36. Now 8 take away 15 is minus 7. So we have minus 7 over 36 as our answer. Okay? Again, if you're not happy about doing it where you've got a smaller take away a larger, just reverse them and then stick a negative in front. Okay? Right, let's do it by cross multiplication. So 2/9 take away 5/12. So the leading diagonal first, 2 times 12. Take away the other diagonal, 5 times 9, over the product of the denominators, which is 108. So 9 times 12. I'll write it down. Okay. So let's see what we've got. We've got 24. Take away 5 9s is 45 over 108. Okay. So 24 take away 45 is the same as minus 45 take away 24. Now 45 take away 24 is 21, so minus 21 over 108. So then you need to spot that that can be simplified. Now how do you spot that that can be simplified? Well, there is a neat little trick that you can use to tell whether a number is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits adds up, so if the sum is a number that is divisible by 3 itself, then the original number is divisible by 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3, which is divisible by 3. So I know 21 has a factor of 3. And so you could divide that by 3 to get 7. So minus 7. Now 108 is 1 plus 0 plus 8, which is 9, which is divisible by 3. So 108 is divisible by 3. Dividing that by 3, we get 36. And that gets you your fraction. And this is a good example to show you that actually the cross multiplication, simplifying the fraction down here, took a bit more brain power, okay, rather than finding a lowest common multiple, okay. So sometimes this method, lowest common multiple, is a good one to have up your sleeve rather than just always doing cross multiplication, because sometimes you can find easier ways of doing it, okay. Right, let's take a look at our last example. So number 3, we have 10/3 take away 100/9. So the lowest common multiple of 3 and 9, 3, 6, 9, etc., 9, 18, 27, etc., is 9. So we should have been able to spot that both of them could be written as something over 9. So 3 times 3 is 9, so 10 times 3 is 30. And then we've got the 100 over 9. And so our answer here is going to be minus 70 over 9. Okay? Now if we wanted to write that as a mixed number, then 9 goes into 70 7 times, with 7 left over. So it's minus 7 and 7/9. Now if we wanted to do this by cross multiplication, then we need to multiply the leading diagonal first, 10 times 9, then the 100 times 3, over the product of the denominators. So we have 90 take away 300 over 3 times 9, which is 27. Now 90 take away 300 is minus 210. Again, you can spot that both of these are divisible by 3. So 2 plus 1 plus 0 is 3, which is divisible by 3. 2 plus 7 is 9, which is divisible by 3. So 210 divided by 3 is 70. So minus 70 over 27 divided by 3 is 9. So minus 70 over 9, just as we had before. And so that could be written as minus 7 and 7/9.